Hey guys, it's Lindsay, and today I'm putting together a REV-A-SHELF. It's the two-tier pull-out basket, and I've already put this part together, and the instructions were really easy. It was very straightforward, wasn't any trouble at all for me to do it myself, and I'm getting ready to install this into the cabinet. So I'm going to show you that in just a second. So you can see I've put it in here and I've installed it. 4 screws here and then 4 screws back there. Now, under normal circumstances, you're gonna put screws in on this side too. But this, I mean, it is super sturdy. I'm not putting anything heavy in this shelf. I'm just putting my Tupperware, and it's not going anywhere. It is bolted to this shelf. So now the moment of truth when I put the baskets in. Okay, they slid right in. This was fairly easy to install. I did it by myself, and I'm excited to use these. They slide really great, and this should be a really great addition to my kitchen.